What's up YouTube, Nick here from MetaLogicDesign.com, and today we'll be going over how to create a new sub-account within Go High Level using snapshots. We'll go over how to create a snapshot within Go High Level, how to update the snapshot once it's already been imported, as well as how to import your snapshots from one sub-account into another. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here we are in Go High Level. Before we get started, let's go over what a snapshot looks like in the platform. So a snapshot is essentially just a copy paste of all the data from one sub-account into another sub-account, right? So you're copying and pasting all of the pipelines, workflows, forms, surveys, automations, website pages, etc. from one sub-account into another. How we do this is you go from your agency view, go into settings in the bottom left, snapshot, create new snapshot. Let's go ahead and name this snapshot Tree Service Snapshot and select the account Nick's Trees. So the account right here is what you're going to pull from. So all the data from the account you select here is going to be copied into the snapshot. So we're going to do Nick's Trees. Let's save it. That is it, guys. That is how you create a new snapshot within Go High Level. Now let's see how we can use this snapshot to build a new sub-account. So from here, let's go back to our agency dashboard. Go to sub-accounts and select add new sub-account. When Go High Level gives you all the snapshots to choose from, on the top here you'll see where it says own snapshot, and then you'll see the snapshot we've just created. So we have Tree Service Snapshot, select to continue, and from this point forward the sub-account creation process is the same. The only difference is once you create the sub-account, all of the data from your original snapshot, right? So in our case it's going to be Nick's Trees. All that data will already be copied and pasted into this new sub-account. So I'm going to go ahead and finish setting this up, and I'll get back to you in 1 minute here. Alrighty, we've just created a new sub-account using the Nick's Trees snapshot. Let's go ahead and see what information has copied itself over into this new sub-account. So let's go ahead and go into automation, and we can see here that all of our workflows have copied and pasted itself over from Nick's Trees into this new one. Let's go into sites. Same thing with the websites. All the websites and website pages have copied itself over here, as well as the forms, surveys, and just about any other information you could think of. Now that the sub-account has been created using the Nick's Tree snapshot we've just created, let's go ahead and see how we can update the snapshot, or the sub-account, excuse me, from the snapshot we've used previously. To do that, what you're going to do is go back into your agency view, go down to settings, back into snapshot, and you'll see the snapshots you've created just right here. And we'll go into this little update button. So essentially what you're doing is if you make any changes into Nick's Trees, right? Let's say that's our master account that's hosting all of our information such as automations, workflows, surveys, forms, etc. If we build out a new campaign or new forms, what we can do is essentially copy all that new information and paste it into all of our accounts using that snapshot. So we have here our link location, Simpsons Tree Service, the one I just made. Let's go ahead and click proceed. And from here, you can go ahead and overwrite all the data if you've made changes all around. Or if you select skip, you can go into each one of these and select what information you want to copy over or what information you want to leave. Let's go ahead and just click select all and proceed. We'll hit proceed as well. And then there you go. That is how you update all of the sub-accounts that are using your snapshot. Alrighty, that is how we're going to end today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will respond to them. Again, my name is Nick from MetaLogicDesign.com, and until next time, see ya.